What I have here is the Neewer 3-inch Super Clamp and Ballhead for my review. This thing is great, and I'll show you why. I'll give you a little closer look of what this will be used for. So first of all, before I even set it up, this is how it comes, obviously. So you've got the ballhead, you've got the clamp, you also have a phone adapter. So if you do plan on using this to actually attach a phone as a screen or even as a recording device, you can do that with this thing right here. So that's a great thing. It also has what we now know as a GoPro adapter. So if I want to add a GoPro to this and clamp it and ball head it anywhere that I want, I can do that as well. Super easy to actually, look at this, just add the GoPro right here on that clamp and then literally go like this. Check this out. It's so easy. I'm just going to go like that. So this is secure. I'm going to add this GoPro adapter right here, just like that. So the GoPro would go at the top here, and then this bottom here, I can literally clamp and secure extremely tight, extremely secure to virtually anything that I want. So that's a really nice thing if you're looking to do maybe a little bit more of these stranger setups, right? So maybe you don't have a tripod, maybe you don't have a C-stand to attach things to. Maybe this will be kind of like that camera or that microphone that will be hooked up pretty much as a I don't know, like something that's a little bit less the norm in a normal rig. Or you're in a pinch, you want to be able to get that camera at a weird angle. This is a way better way to do it, and way more secure way to do it as well. But in my case, I'm going to be detaching this GoPro because I won't be using the GoPro attachment. I won't be using this this iPhone or camera phone attachment. I've got my phone, which will be the main recorder. I've got my handles and all that. This is a Neewer rig as well. And we're talking about a Neewer adapter right here, that clamp. What I'm going to use this with is because I will be using a DJI mic. And I want to have the mic receiver not attached to the phone, but actually have a USB-C coming out of it into the adapter, hooked up to this adapter, and this off of my phone. The reason why I want it off of my phone is I want to protect it. I want to protect that clamp. And I also want to be able to just drop this rig when I'm not shooting, drop it down and not worry about this little receiver getting in the way or maybe damaging itself, right? So we are going to add this clamp at the very top middle. I mean, you could literally put it anywhere you want. Let's go like this. I'm going to actually secure it so it's nice and tight. There you go. And the nice thing with these is that, look, if I unsecure it, I can actually move this anywhere I want. In this case, I want it standing right up, just like that. And I'm going to open the clamp. Look at that. It opens really, really wide. I'm going to add my little receiver, just like that. And I don't even have to clamp that hard because that receiver is so light. And now what happens is I have access to my DJI. I can actually hook up the adapter and the USB-C that will run down and hook up to my USB-C iPhone right here, input. And I've got the whole rig right there, lights, sound, and camera right here. And I'm good to go. I love this thing. Super adaptable, customizable, whatever word you want to use. I think these things are great. And Neewer makes incredible products that are really, really solidly made. That also, when you clamp it, you know it's clamped. When you secure it, you know it's secure and it's good to go for a long time, which is important in this business. But yeah, I'm super happy with the results. They're great.